What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're just going to go over a few stocks that I played today for a $4,992 day. I had one win, one loss trading Amazon and AMD. Now I know you'll probably see the same stocks on my YouTube channel. This is just because these are the stocks that are working right now. They may change, it may change later, who knows, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So we're gonna go take it to the charts real quick. Hopefully you'll learn something. This is going to be a quick breakdown so you can see, just kind of see my thought process and how I went about trading these stocks. So for the watch list today, as you can see, we had AMD, we had calls over 131, we had puts under 128. How did I get these levels? So I had my pre-market high, that was 131, and then I had 128, which was my pre-market low. Those are the two levels I used today, right? And I'm gonna remove that because we didn't get there yet. So we had AMD at 131, obviously, and as the market slowly went to the 9:30 a.m. Eastern time zone, we opened up close to 128. Now you can see that we immediately had a strong move down under 128, but we ended up wicking at that level and ended the candle at just below the level at 128.28. The next candle was a little bit better. Still had a long wick right here, pretty strong wick, pretty solid volume, indicating that there is some buying pressure right here, right? So the reason why I lost this trade, I actually lost $2,460 on this trade. It was because I was very indecisive, right? I was very indecisive. I did not trade this with confidence, right? Which is not something I do a lot of times. There was a lot of volatility in the market, and honestly, it was just one of those trades where it just didn't work out because I approached it incorrectly, right? So what I did was, where I should have trusted myself and trusted my gut, could have gotten a quick day trade, took advantage of a quick dump right here. I actually ended up getting in on this third candle, and then as you can see, it wicked out again, indicating that there's more buying pressure before exploding upwards towards our 128.37 level, where it proceeded to just consolidate for a little while, which is where I got this level from, right? So now I needed AMD under 126.61 if I was going to be comfortable taking these puts. And as you can see, it never really made a strong move down the rest of the day, kind of a weak move right here. Then it kind of bounced back, rejected off our 128.37 level, and then it made a still not that strong of a move. There was really no volume right here. Then it exploded the second half of the day all the way up to 131. But by this time, I was already done with the play. I was already done with AMD. Chalked it up as a loss. And I know why I lost, right? That's the most important thing. You got to know why you lost. And I know I lost this one because I was indecisive, didn't get into the play with as much confidence as I should have, and that resulted in me losing this play. And also, as you can see, we got caught with some of that choppiness that the market's been showing the last few days, last few weeks, where just a lot of wicks, a lot of buying pressure, selling pressure, a lot of indecisiveness within this stock. So AMD was a loser. First one of the week, like I said, or actually, I think we played Amazon before we played AMD, but it was the first loss of the week either way. Like I said, I lost $2,460 with this play. Next, we have Amazon, right? We have Amazon. We had our levels. I had my pre-market high level at 3239, and this is also a level that, if you watch my previous breakdown videos that include Amazon, you can see that 3239 has actually been a level that we've talked about for a while. As you can see a lot of bounces at this level. 3239, solid support, boom, got a bounce right there. Then we come right here, we got another bounce right here. We have another bounce right here. So this is a pretty strong level. So I knew that this was an important level. So I had calls. It says over 3263, but I actually corrected myself. You can see it right here. I had Amazon over 3239. The next level after that was 3262. Puts under 320464. Right? So let's zoom in just a little bit. As you can see, when the market opened, we immediately had a strong flush under our 3204 level, right? Good volume, strong flush. But you guys know, if you watch any of my previous videos where I break down stocks, break down plays that I took that day, you know that I do not like taking the first 5-minute candle, because that candle is not a good indication of what the stock is going to do that day, because it can reverse easily. It's usually either a sell-off or a quick pump before it really does what it actually wants to do. But as you can see here, we actually had a continuation down. We did enter on this candle at around 3,180. The volume was really good. We decided to hop in. We were patient. I remember it got stopped up a little bit right here on this candle, right? It got stopped up, couldn't really break, didn't really want to break. This was actually a daily level that I had charted, and I don't know why I removed it, but I did have a daily level charted around that 3172 level, which explains why I got stopped up. It was having trouble breaking, but eventually on that third candle of the day, it did have a solid break. And you know, we're really in profit. Like I said, I made $7,462 on this play. And then as you can see, we have a hammer right here. Anytime you see a hammer at the bottom of a downtrend, it's usually a good indication that there may be a reversal. In this case, it was just a retracement, or what we can call a break and retest, where we broke a level, we retested that level before having a stronger move down. But myself and Blueprint, we did not stay in this play. Anytime I see that hammer at the bottom of the downtrend, I just secure profit, especially if it's a day trade, and I'm done with it. So I made a lot of money off Amazon, $7,462. I lost $2,460 with AMD, but I was able to bring home about $5,000, $4,992 to be exact. And those are the only two plays I took in this account. And it was a good day overall. It was a really good day. This account, just a little info on it, I actually reset for 2022. I started this account with $30,000. Right now, obviously, I'm pretty green. I'm doing well for the month of January so far, and I want to continue to make it a good month and be consistent, stick to my rules, be disciplined, all that good stuff I usually talk about. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them down below in the comments. Like I said, if you're interested in the trading group, feel free to click the link below and check it out. And that's all I got for you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video.